You guys, what are you guys doing right now?
I'm going fishing.
Pick out a fishing pole. Which one you guys gonna get? AJ, they got. You getting Spider-Man?
Wait, his favorite superhero is Batman. Party time.
All right, what are you doing, AJ?
That's not a car fishing.
You guys, we're almost here. You guys excited? What are we about to do?
Go fishing.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
And eat some fish and worms.
We're gonna eat them too? Are you gonna put a worm on the hook?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to take the worm in your hands and then stab it with a hook.
I don't care if I do it.
You gonna do it, AJ? Uh-oh. We gonna see.
This.
Are you guys ready? Oh, what the? All right, we're off. Follow me, guys. Don't run. Let's go. Maybe. All right, you guys see this? Noah, look at. See, this is the hook. Very dangerous, very sharp. We're gonna put corn on it, and the corn is gonna be called bait. So the fish come and they bite it, and we try to catch them. So what's the corn called? What's the corn called? What are we using it as? As bait, right? Can you guys say bait?
Bait.
All right.
Slowly.
Bring it in. Bring it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Go slow. AJ, you see the fish? They were following it. You see the fish, Noah?
Nope.
You almost had a fish, AJ. He bit it. The fish bit it. And so, Noah, AJ, you can't be scared to hold the worm. So, Noah, open it up. Come here. Come right here. Noah, open it up. Be strong and brave. It's just a worm. It's just going to be squishy and moving around, but it can't hurt you. Open it.
No, I just.
No, AJ, open it. It's okay. slow. Look up it. Other way, AJ.
I just catch it?
Oh yeah, you got seaweed.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, stop moving around. There's a hook, you remember? It's very dangerous. Ready, set, go. Oh, all right, pull it back, and then when you swing, gotta let go of the button. Ready, set, go. That was a good job. Reel it in. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Fast. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go a little slower, a little slower. AJ, reel it in! AJ caught a fish! Good job! You caught one, AJ! AJ, reel it in! Let's go! Let's go! We'll catch one. Reel it in. Reel it, AJ, reel it. Reel it up so it's in the air. Hurry up. Other way, other way. Okay, you're doing it. Keep doing it. Lift it up. Lift it up in the air. Good job, buddy. You caught a fish.
When you do that, you catch it back.
AJ, you caught him all by yourself. That's crazy. All right, we're going to set him free, guys. All right, come on, Noah. Want to watch?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Say bye-bye, fishy.
Bye-bye.
He's free. All right, good. AJ caught a fish over there. He's all happy. Go slow. You got to watch the thing. Hold it right there. There might be a fish coming. Wait right there. Don't reel it in.
Go. Can I go now?
Yep, keep on going. Reel it in. Reel it in. You got it. You got this, bro. Reel it in. Reel it in, Noah. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, let's go. You did it. Back up, AJ. Reel it up a little more.